Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. It is very cold in here, so excuse me if I'm a little bit shaky with the camera today. But today we have a spoiler we need to repair. Now this is a very nice looking spoiler. This is an RX7 styled spoiler made to fit the MX5, and we've got a little bit of damage in here that we need to take care of. And what I'll do, I'll quickly flip this over. We can have a look at the damage. Now this was squished in transit on its way over from China, and this whole seam is split. Now my initial plan was to get inside here and repair it from the inside, but unfortunately there is loads of glass in there that is just sticking up, and I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, I'm not getting in there and tidying that up just to put more glass in there. So we are going to do an outer repair on this. Thankfully, because most of this spoiler is all curved, blending this repair in is going to be relatively easy, and I think just for safety's sake I am going to repair this side as well. It's not broken, but I'm just going to reinforce it so it doesn't break in the future. Now this very nice spoiler belongs to a 19-year-old lad called Oliver Watson, and when his father delivered it to me in person, and he said, "Oh, my son would love all this," and I said to him, well, if he's got some spare time, come down, volunteer, get his hands dirty and itchy, and I'll teach him bits and bobs. So he was actually here yesterday for the whole day, and he really enjoyed it. So hopefully he's going to be back next Wednesday when he's got a break from uni, and he'll come back to learn a bit more. So the first plan is going to be repair these undersides, make them nice and strong so we have the spoiler flipped over. Once they're done, we'll flip it back and we'll take care of this. This is a relatively easy repair. I can just pack that out with P40, which is a fiberglass based filler putty, and then just screed it over. Because there's still a lot of material in there, the P40 will act as a great bonding in there. I might actually squirt some extra bonding paste in there as well, just to be safe. So yeah, I'm going to get you guys set up on the table somewhere here, maybe a little bit higher up so you get a good view. And oh, sorry, nearly dropped the camera. And we'll make a start on this, and yeah, I think it'll just be a time lapse from now on. We'll get the glass, we'll get the area prepped, cleaned, glass down, cured, sanded, filler, smooth, so that's done, and then we can get on to that repair in there. So yeah, I hope you enjoy guys. Make sure you watch to the end, give it a like and a subscribe, you know you want to, because you might actually learn something. Here we go.